In today's fast-paced business world, finding the right CRM is the first step to unlocking exponential growth. Let's show you just how easy it is to start your journey with Maglo CRM, the AI-powered solution designed for smarter growth. First, head over to Google and search for Maglo CRM. You'll see a few results, but the official home of Maglo CRM is Maglo Global. Look for the link that takes you to the Maglo Global website. Click on the link to navigate to the Maglo Global homepage. Welcome to the Maglo Global platform. Maglo CRM is the all-in-one sales engine that lives right here. You'll see the main product offerings including Maglo, Babbler, and Holler. Ready to experience the difference? Click the prominent Take a Free Trial button. This quick onboarding form is your gateway to the future of CRM. We just need a few details to set up your dedicated environment. Under Partner Details, provide your company name and relevant identifiers. Then complete the user details section with your name, a secure password, and your contact information. Remember, this is a zero-commitment trial designed to give you full access to Maglo's powerful features. Once all the fields are complete, click the Onboard Partner button. That's it! Your free trial request has been successfully submitted. Click on Complete Onboarding and verify your email. Congratulations! You are now ready to explore the full capabilities of Maglo CRM. Thank you for watching. We look forward to showing you how Maglo CRM can unlock infinite possibilities and endless growth for your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights.